it's not a bad thing to do. It's just, I wouldn't put it on the checklist between starting and getting your first client. It's not on the list to me. Everybody's on that list. So there's other things that you can be doing to stand out, get in front of potential clients that not everybody else is doing. So
Yeah, in my opinion, I mean, clients just want to know that you can do their books, categorize their transactions, run financial statements. I think that's it. They don't care. It's been
yeah,
my experience. They don't care about the whether you're a pro advisor or
right.
whatever. They just want to know that you can do their books.
Yeah.
You can get, like I said, categorize the transactions, and then run the financial statements, P&L, and the balance sheet, and so they know where their business is.
Think about the potential client. What do they know what pro advisors? You know, that like they, and then the question is, are they finding you on a pro advisor database, on a pro advisor search? Um, I haven't heard anybody in the forum talking about, hey, somebody found me on the pro advisor. That's why I'm gonna run that poll and find out. But um, you do learn a lot by going through the, prepping for the exam and stuff. But how much does it really help you? The general population doesn't know what a pro advisor is. They're looking for a bookkeeper, not a pro advisor. So I think branding is the most important thing you can do. Well, I don't want to say but it's extremely important. If you have a professional image that you get in front of people, that's really key. Because if they're looking for bookkeepers in your area, they most likely will see more than one before they make a decision. They may not talk to more than one. Probably it's a good chance they won't talk to more than one, but they may see the image that's out there for more than one before they contact one. So they're going to be comparing your online image to others. So yours has to be professional looking.